Hi and welcome to TrafficZion demo, TrafficZion Cloud AI demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you all the features that TrafficZion has and how this is going to be driving traffic and creating content for your websites and blogs. Now, TrafficZion's traffic is based on the WordPress universe of blogs and websites built from other real humans that have been using WordPress for years. WordPress actually covers 39% of the internet online. So that means you have real targeted humans searching every day for other blogs, reading blogs, engaging with blogs, websites, content, and anything out there. And I've been able to build a software that actually drives that traffic over to your blog and your content. But this year, we've added the additional feature of being able to create content for those users and readers that are going to be visiting back to your blogs and websites. Now, this is an example of a site that I've set up only a few days ago, September 19th. Since I turned it on though, you can see that I've been getting visitors. In the last month, I've been able to generate this amount of visitors, views, visitors, etc. And I've got about 22 posts that I've done. Very easily done as well. I've already been on search engines since I've actually set up my site, and I'm getting also the traffic back using TrafficZion. Anything you see from the WordPress reader is actually views from TrafficZion, but that helped me get even further, even on Facebook, on Google, and I haven't done any type of sharing this site. It's done organically or through using my software. And you can see right here, the visits are mostly from the US. So we're talking about top tier traffic coming over. The way that I'm setting up the site is that I set it up through TrafficZion, and then from here, I add my tags for the specific niche. So these are my tags that I've added that has to do with whatever I have on my website. So let this be the dog niche, or this could be an affiliate marketing niche that I've built. All these means that all these humans came and engaged with my post. They've engaged with my content, and I can actually see that through my stats that I just showed you. The likes that you're seeing here is me engaging with all these blogs, but slowly these blogs are coming back to me because they're seeing that I'm engaging with them. They're clicking on my profile and they're taking them back to my websites. And those are the stats that we saw right here. So all these views and likes and follows are being done from these people that are visiting back. They're liking my content. So once I'm done with setting up my website, I just leave it and set and forget. And then from there on, my software is continually going out and finding new posts based on whatever tags that I've placed here. And that's how our software goes out and finds stuff. Now this year, we've added TrafficZion. TrafficZion is basically an article content creator. Now the great thing about this is that you can create articles on the go based on any URL you give it. Doesn't matter what URL you have, you put it in here, it's going to create the post that you would like. Now the post type, we've created it so it's focusing more of the blogger and the website owner, but we're going to be helping you create it in a persona, in a sound that is tied into whatever that you would like to create. We're giving you 10 different types of posts. The most popular one is probably going to be the review post, but it does have some really cool stuff on here that you can create some really cool content based on whatever post type you'd like. And you can then post all these different types of tones. So it can be always unique online. And then from that, use a persona of your liking. It could be just like, act like one of these options, these categories right here, act like a blogger, and go through the list that we have for you. So you can sound like Dan Kennedy for your specific post that you're going to be creating. So let's say we found a specific offer on ClickBank and we got our affiliate links. If I put the affiliate links into the browser, I get a specific link. I can actually take this link that I'm going to be getting, not the affiliate link, but the actual last part of the domain. I can come back into my TrafficZion and I can actually put it as a web source to get me the content and create me the content into whatever I want. Okay, and then in the context, what you want to get is a little bit of information about what this product is. So I'm just going to copy this and come back and put it in the context. If I wanted to focus on a specific keyword, I can also ask it focus on, And then I can do that. I can focus on the keyword if I'm doing any type of SEO. And here is where I get my affiliate links. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my affiliate link, put it in the section right here. I can add a video that's gonna pull up, add images automatically, or I can use my own custom. It's up to you. And then I can choose a few buttons here on throughout the content that it's gonna be building. Okay, so let me try that. I can then publish this to my specific dog website. I can choose the categories that I've built or my software has built for me. I could add a featured image. I could search for a featured image if I didn't want my software to find one for me. So if I wanted to put Ultra K9 Pro, I can actually find some images of some stuff that I can use and add, or I can leave it automatically, leave it blank, and it will create one automatically. I can create a custom title, or it will create one for me. So I'm gonna allow it to create one for me. I'm gonna generate tags. It's gonna automatically generate tags for the specific one, and then I can publish this to my website, okay? And then I'm gonna click on save, and that's it. That's all I did to create content for my website. So if I go back to my website, here is the actual content that I created. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. I've got everything that I need that's going to be helping me. Now, the cool thing I want you to focus on, this is not a review post, but this is a how-to post, for example. So if you start reading, it shows you how you can use Ultra K Pro to improve, and this formula is blah, blah, blah. And then it tells you what you're going to need, and then it's going to tell you the steps. Then it gets you steps again. And then all throughout this, I'm going to be able to get them over to pick it up if it's something that interests them. Now, does this actually work? Does the content work? Well, yeah, because basically everything that I've created was just a few days ago. I added the content that I created with TrafficZion, and I'm already getting organic search with users coming through. And this is just a few days, okay? So yes, it is working, and I can see also the impressions for the different ones that I'm creating. So you can see that the top search queries for my site are being found through my actual content that I have online. Okay, so this is really very soon for me to give you more details because I've been testing it out for you guys. But the content is there. I'm being ranked, I'm being indexed, I'm not being slapped. You're being SEO ranked as well for specific keywords. So you're good to go with our software and everything that we have. So these are the new features that we've added, is the TrafficZion, and also we've also included a new upsell, which is the site wizard. And in the site wizard, you're going to be able to actually create everything for your blog. If you built a new blog from scratch and you don't know how to really set it up properly, we've got a built-in plugins that are going to be installed for you, but also setting up about pages, contact pages, about you pages, the description of your website, title descriptions. It depends on how you want to set it up. So if I wanted to fix up my website for a specific one, like Prosper.net, I can leave it blank and it can be created by AI, or leave this blank. I give a little bit of site description. Once you build a website, it removes all the default posts and stuff, and it recreates everything as should. It creates you pages like the about, contact, everything that you need, and then it installs all these plugins for you so that they're essential. And TrafficZion is going to be installed, Jack packets, and you don't even have to go do it manually. It's all done for you. It creates an author bio, and also creates permalinks for your SEO ranking and stuff like that. It also creates categories for you. Okay, so once you save it, basically you need to write some description. Once you save it, it actually changes everything on your website. Even if you have a website that's already there, it actually goes in and changes and adds everything that you need. So this is our site wizard, where you're going to be able to install and do everything really fast instead of you doing it manually. Our blog upsell is going to be able for you to actually post the content automatically, instantly to your website instead of you doing it manually. Because you could do it manually, you could get the content and you can actually copy and paste and put it on your website, but you need to add the tags, the feature images. You just got to do the extra step. We're allowing you to do this instantly, and this is another upsell for the blog automation that ties in with our TrafficZion. Our next upsell and feature is our tribe. Our tribe is basically getting you traffic over to your content. specific eyeballs that are going to be engaging with your content. It's showing Google that all these people will be visiting based on what you're putting in the domain here. So our tribe users, which are 3,000 plus customers, are part of this tribe. And we are sending all these people that set up their websites and content to come and see the specific posts that you want them to see. This drives traffic. It shows Google that there's other people liking your posts, and it's automatic. For the next 30 days, you're going to be getting eyeballs over the specific posts that you set up through our traffic tribe. This is our demo for TrafficZion this year. This is an overall traffic and content creator software that is essential for anybody's online needs to get traffic over to their websites. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you inside TrafficZion.